though, the reason that you had your high vibration food, then you had the beautiful meditation with H.E.A.L. How did you find that? Yeah? How are you feeling now? Chilled? The reason that I put the two together is because you are a vibrational being. Your body is made up of trillions and trillions of cells, and they vibrate. It's what actually creates you to be a mass, as you know to be the body. It's when your vibration is not vibrating properly that you're not living your authentic self. It's when you get sick. It's when things affect you more. So to have you today with high vibration food, then I was offering an improvement in the vibration in your entire being. And then to add the meditation to that takes you up through different levels of your being. That's part of the spiritual platform of your wellness. With the oils that H.E.A.L has popped onto you today, you can get some more information from her about those, because you can actually purchase them through her. She can show you how to do that. And I would recommend that you think about it, because they improve your health, they improve the vibration. Did anyone notice anything with the music? What did you find? Vibes. What did you notice in yourself with the music? Anybody? For good reason. Anybody else feel it was a bit repetitive? The reason.
I've got a really strong sense in my heart.
Yes. The reason it's repetitive is because it reaches out to you on different levels of your consciousness and different levels of your theta, beta, alpha brainwaves. And they all touch you differently. For myself, it was like somebody put me in a beautiful spinning machine. So I actually had movement. Did anyone feel any movement? Yes. That's why the music was the vibration it was, and that's why it was also the loudness that it was, so that it could bring you into yourself and allow your cells to all vibrate in a high level. As soon as your cells are damaged through worry, anxiety, fear, anger, even joy, some people can be overjoyous. Emotions start to create a different vibration in every cell. And when that vibration continues for too long, that cell starts to mutate, it breaks down, it becomes an illness, a pain, an ache that stays with you until it becomes something worse. So, become means grow. How are you going to grow forward, even from today? Become creative. Is imagine. In the words of Martin Luther King, I have a dream. I am that little black girl. Create. Create what you want. Create the reality that you want. The reality you live every day is the reality you perceive. I am that little black girl that was chased home every day. Have ideas. Ideas that are for you. Come into your own space. Own you. Nobody else owns you except you. Be true to you. Come to be. Or become. Kristen made a comment outside a little moment ago. I wish I was creative. Lord above, I've been watching her for months. She's more creative than she realises. You have greatness within you. You have amazement within you. You just need to believe it, feel it, work it, and live it every day. And when someone steps into your face and takes that sense of ownership away, remember, become. Remember, own your space. Be the best version of yourself that you want to be, not who someone else wants you to be. There are young ones with us today. Such a long way to go in your life, such a lot to experience. Both of you have actually experienced a tremendous amount already. So when we experience something, do you want it to keep you there? Or would you like to step forward and step out of it? Take an experience, no matter what it is. Like the example I was talking about with that lovely fellow that held his life over mine. I've taken that experience and turned it into learnings for my later life. So for the young ones here who are just embarking on life, take every experience and make it work for you. For the middle older ones, take the experiences. Walk off with them with strength. Grow from them. Come to be through them. Don't let them hold you back. I have a dream. Now this morning I asked you, do you have a dream? Is there something you would like to do? Do you have a dream? Create it. Create your dream. You. Simply you. Amazing, wonderful you. Own it. Be it. Live it. So how do you create yourself? By what you listen to. By what you eat. What do you watch on that square box? Do you watch it religiously? Have you ever noticed how you feel when you watch, let's say, Home and Away? I only know the title. I wouldn't know a thing about the show. Have you ever noticed how you feel when you watch the news? Please don't watch the news. It's really bad for you. What you watch, what you listen to, what you read, what you say, takes away your ability to grow, takes away your ability to own you. There are things called subliminal messages, and there are so many of them hidden in television shows, in the news. Do yourself a favour tonight, turn that television off. Get a book, go outside, breathe. Breathe. For in breath, you restore the vibration of your cells. In breath, you bring back quietness to your inner self. Tomorrow morning when you wake up, stop. Find out what you're feeling, how you're feeling. And make an intention on how you would like the day to go. How would you like people to come into your life tomorrow, the day after, the day after? You know, that person that first held you here and grew you here, once you're an adult, or before, you have a choice as to how much you take on from that person. But you have a choice every day, no matter what. And even in your work environment. Many people find they feel like they're stuck in their work environment, that they can't leave it, they can't get out of it. So I'm going to ask you to think about, what does your work do for you? Not what do you do for your work, but what does your work do for you? Is it serving you in your highest good? Is it serving your health? If it's not, it's time to think about, grow, come to be, create, be you. Now before we finish off today, what I'd like you to do is rub your hands together in a clockwise position. Rub them, rub them. Rub them, rub them. And if you have your legs or feet crossed, please uncross them and place them flat on the floor. Rub them, rub them. And I want you to start to feel the heat. Feel the heat. Feel the energy. Now, as you go around, you're going to start to gently take your hand apart little by little by little. So they're still pretty close, but little. But feel what you can feel between them. Can you feel the energy? Can you feel a heat there? Rub them this way. And then start to take that out a little bit more, and create a ball of energy. Now start to bring that ball of energy down in front of your navel. Now I want you to keep your focus with that ball of energy. So keeping the hands on top of each other, not side to side, on top of each other. Can you feel the energy? If you can't, please take your focus to between your hands and slow the hands down. Now once you can feel that you have a ball of energy there, I would like you to think these words to yourself. I am worthy. I am more than enough. For all that I am is all that I am, and all that I am is enough. Now I'm going to ask you to think about where you would like to place that ball of energy. And you're going to infuse that ball of energy with love, grace, and worthy. And then I'm going to ask you to place it wherever you like. For me, mine is going up over my crown chakra and down over my whole self. You might like to put yours to your heart. You might like to put it to your throat. Maybe there's things that you would like to say to yourself or to someone else that you're not comfortable with, so you might like to place it to your throat. You may like to place it to the base of your spine to give yourself grounding and a sense of sacredness, of being connected to the earth. But place your ball of energy wherever is right for you. And here I have for you, make your day a great day every day. And this is how, when you wake up and greet your day, you can start to create your day, and you can use this to move away from negative influences in your life, in your day. If you were to place it not on the toilet door, but maybe above your bed, maybe beside your bed, but somewhere where you can read it and you can reach it every day. What about our video man? Would he like one? So I thank you all very, very much for coming today, and I would like to say a very big thank you to Keith for doing our audio visual, for my beautiful girls, Ivana and Angela, my wonderful support crew, and Abiti for joining us. Thank you very much. I have a dream. I have a mission. You're part of my dream, part of my mission. And that is to help people become the creative designers and teach them how to own their space. I hope you'll take away your space today and find a new you and start to peel off the layers of what other people have put upon you. I'm a wise sage, I'm a knowledge woman, a mother, a grandmother, a lover and a best friend, and a ringleader, apparently. On the table outside is a little pad, and I'd be really grateful if you would like to offer me some feedback on today, if you have any comments. That would be lovely. But I thank you very much for coming today, and I welcome you to hang around and have a chat if you would like to. So thank you all very, very much. Who said that? You're a darling. One more time to you all. You're amazing. You have greatness in every one of you.